Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the Harbour Plaza and we want to show you the new Burger King that just opened. Opened probably a few days ago, maybe 2 weeks. And this is it. This is the Harbour Plaza. Right as you come around the Harbour roundabout, you come in here and this is the plaza. Now this is a very busy plaza. It's a very successful plaza because it follows a formula for what you need a successful plaza in Jamaica. But before we get, I will tell you the three things. You need to build it in a populated area. Harbour very populated. You need to have a supermarket in the plaza, and this plaza has a Shoppers Fair supermarket, the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. And then you need food stores. So this plaza, we're looking at the Burger King. It also has a KFC, a Tasty, a Pizza Hut, and one or two other restaurants. So you don't have to ask if this is a successful plaza. This is a very successful plaza. It's actually being renovated now. This side, the shops have been renovated already. But Burger King just opened. KFC has been here for a while along with Pizza Hut and Tasty. So let's tell you what's going on for the Harbour area, why we assume Burger King has opened now. Harbour is where the Southern Coastal Highway is going to start. And this is a super highway, 4-lane dual carriageway taking you from Harbour to Portland. So it goes through St. Thomas, Portland, and it starts in St. Andrew. So you're going to see a lot of traffic, a lot more traffic, because the eastern part of Jamaica has never seen roads of this quality before. So this is where the highway starts at the Harbour Bridge, which is probably less than a minute drive from where we are. So that's why the plaza is being renovated, and because there's going to be a lot more traffic using this area now because of the highway. And also when you come from the airport, this is the first plaza you will come to. But it has been here for such a long time and Burger King never came before. So maybe now that the plaza is renovated and the expected traffic from the highway, or the increase in traffic, that's probably why they opened it up now. KFC has been here for a while. This is actually one of the newest stores they have opened. It was here before COVID. I don't remember exactly when, but we have videos up the KFC so you can take a look at it. And Burger King is the #2 fast food chain in Jamaica. Of course, everybody knows who #1 is. That is, of course, KFC. So anywhere you see a KFC, you're going to see a crowd. And this Burger King actually has a drive-through. The KFC has a drive-through, and this Burger King has a drive-through as well. Alright, so this is the new Burger King in Harbour. This is actually the newest one to open. So right where that motorbike has stopped, that's where the cars come out of the drive-through. So you really have to ask, why is he stopping there? But it's one of those things. Alright, so we're going to show you the rest of the plaza now, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. Okay, so right across the road, literally, is KFC. There it is. Over here you have the Pizza Hut. And then further down now you have the Tasty. So that's the Shoppers Fair building being renovated, and on the right is a temporary location for the Shoppers Fair. That's the supermarket. So as you can see, this is a very big plaza. And that's the Burger King. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.